How to fix Gmail not receiving verification code. So the first thing that you need to do is to make sure that your do not disturb setting is off. To do that, go to your control center. So just pull down your screen from the right corner and turn off the do not disturb. After that, go to your settings application, as your iMessage itself might be the reason for not receiving the messages. In settings, go type and search for messages. Here you would want to turn off and turn on again the iMessage toggle. This is done to reset your messages and information on your phone. After this, scroll down to the Send as SMS option and toggle this on. This allows messaging with platforms other than Apple. Lastly, go down to Filter Unknown Senders and toggle this off. Because if this is on, you are not allowing messages from devices that aren't in your contacts. So that is how to fix Gmail not receiving verification code. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.